This is Don Kalberg from the IBM ZVM Development Lab Installation and Packaging team. I am here today to provide information on GetShopz. GetShopz simplifies the process to get service to your ZVM system. Information on GetShopz direct-to-host download utility can be found in the Service Guide publication as well as on the VM Services webpage by clicking on the GetShopz tab. On IBM Shopz, I have an order for a 7.2 RSU. This is the Shopz download page for that order. I would like to get that order to my ZVM system so that I can apply the recommended service. Normally, I would download the RSU to my laptop from the Shopz site, use my emulator to upload that file to ZVM, and deterse the uploaded file to get the electronic product envelope Servicelink file. By using GetShopz, I can transfer the file directly to ZVM system from Shopz along with detersing to end up with the Servicelink file on the ZVM system where it will be installed. Now I will show you how to run GetShopz interface on a VM system. From my 3270 session, I've logged on to maint720 user ID, where I would like to put the RSU onto 500 disk, where I have accessed as file mode C. Currently, there are no files on that disk. The GetShopz program is on the maint 193 disk, so I will link that disk. I will also link the disk with the TCP data file needed by GetShopz, which in this case is on the TCP maint 592 disk. I would like to always run GetShopz with the secure options to utilize HTTPS for the web interface, so I will set the default options by using GetShopz defaults and parenthesis for the options, the secure option, and I need the TLS label used by the GetShopz program. And in this case, the TLS label is the same as the system name. I can check those defaults by once again entering GetShopz defaults with no further options. I will start the GetShopz interface and specify the C mini disk for that 500 disk, and I will get the secure options from the defaults. Specify run and the disk C option. GetShopz will return the URL, which I will double click on to bring up the interface. This interface provides the direct-to-host transfer window. From the Shopz website download page for the RSU, I will get the URLs to load into this web interface. I need the HTTPS download option, and I want the first two links. So I right-click on the links. The first one is the doc, and the second one is the actual Servicelink file, detersed. So I copy the first link, paste it in, and then right-click on the second link, and then submit this to the system, and then the upload will start. The status is shown at the bottom of the screen and shows complete when the files have been uploaded. Going back to the 3270 screen, when I hit F3, it will stop the interface and display the files that we saw on the web interface that got uploaded. We compare those to over here, we could see those files. The Workstation Upload tab on the interface itself, it can be used for Servicelink, or if your ZVM system does not have connectivity to the internet. Files that got uploaded for the RSU, as I mentioned, were detersed. We can look at the doc file, for instance. If you use Servicelink for your PTF or RSU downloads, then you can download to your workstation using the link provided in your email from the order, then get the files uploaded and deterged using that workstation upload feature that I showed you. I will restart the GetShopz interface. Restart the interface. Go to the Workstation Upload tab, and I've already downloaded the files from Servicelink, and I could drag those over to the window to start the upload. And the upload has completed. We can go back to the 3070 screen, stop the interface, and you see the files got uploaded to the C disk. Again, consult the ZVM service guide or the web page for more information on GetShopz. Thank you for your attention.